Hey, this is Tim. 2020 Nissan Rogue. If you got a malfunction light, it looks like that. Got a little star in the middle. Of course, you'll have one for the front, one for the rear. The one for the front is on the right side, the rear is the left side. Go to your settings. Okay, settings. You'll go to emergency brake, and that's front. And then rear, see, it'll shut on the rear there. The AEB sensor. It's shutting that on and off. Okay, I go to the front, it's not doing anything. It's just staying off, so it's thinking that the sensor is not there, or it is turned off. And that's your automatic emergency braking system in case somebody walks in front of the vehicle. That's this right here. I'll show you where that's located, and we'll take it off here in just a second. Come around here. Most of the vehicles are going to be right in the center. This one is right there where the Nissan emblem is. Take them 4 bolts out there, and we'll take this little cover off here, your front clip, which will be your clip here, and these right here off of here. Okay, you got clips in here that just push in. You're just gonna push in enough just to kind of move it where you can get to it. You ain't gotta take it all the way out. You can leave the bottom ones in. Gonna take the top 1, 2 over there, and 2 over there, and of course your top off. That way you can get to your 3 nuts right here. Let's put the new one on. Let's undo all 3 of them right there. I'll loosen them up. Okay, another one done at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.